Let's Jake at Donnie Pangilinan na pinagdiin ng si Bel Mariano lang ang babae niya. Sa isang panayam ng isang showbiz insider, talagang pinagdiinan niya. Saad niya, oh yes, nag-iisa lang si Bel. Kasi kapag nakafocus ka na sa isa, everything else around you seems to fade. Hindi mo na iniisip yung distractions. Kaya focus ko lang si Bel. Focus doesn't mean ignoring everything. Focus means understanding what really matters. Kasi kapag committed ka sa isang babae, your heart, mind, and soul align. Hindi ka na mag-aatras, hindi ka na magdadalawang isip. Everything else may come and go, pero yung isa na pinili mo, yung may halaga. It's about clarity, purpose, and faith in yourself. Focus, commit, don't look back.